chores that never end. Kitchen chores never end, guys. Have you ever known that they never end? You'll always be in the kitchen. Hi! It's not my cup of tea. I don't like it. But I have nobody, as I told you guys, I have nobody to assist. I have to do it. The place is in a mess. Oh, the place is in a mess, guys. Let me ask you, Kwani, kitchen has to be in a mess every day. Every day you're doing kitchen work. It never ends. Oh, that is because people have to eat. And people have to eat every day. So you find that you are in the kitchen. You were in the kitchen yesterday, today you'll be in the kitchen, tomorrow you'll be in the kitchen. So guys, these videos of the kitchen will never even ever end. Yeah, they will never end because you are in the kitchen every day, guys. Oh. Right now, I have to prepare supper. And this place is in a mess. Simply because since morning when I left, nobody has been here. Nobody has been here. So the place is in a mess. I'm not lying to you. The place is in a mess. I don't even know where to start. Because like this cooker here, it was never cleaned. You can see. It's already dirty. And you remember yesterday we cleaned together, guys. Do you remember we cleaned this cooker yesterday together? But look, before I start cooking, I have to do something first. And this brings up the question of our nails. As ladies who don't have house help, how are you going to be able to present your nails at your workplace every day? Because you are here scrubbing, cooking, washing, and tomorrow you have to go to the office. So, you cannot wear gloves every day. You cannot wear gloves every day. There are times, there's some work that you cannot do in gloves in this kitchen. So, you wonder. You wonder because your nails cannot be up to date. Look, I actually made my nails, but now the way I'm seeing it, these nails will not even take another week before I make them again, because they get spoiled so fast because of touching water. And nails with water, I don't want to lie to you. When it comes to nails with water and all this rinsing and scrubbing and all that, you will have to be in the nail parlor every once in a week. Every once in a week you have to go to the nail parlor just because of cooking. Otherwise, if you are washing clothes, you'd even go there many times. Oh, this meat is cold. And you know what, guys? I'm having an injury here. Look, somewhere here. So I'm touching something and I'm feeling pain. I'm feeling pain. Especially something that is cold. Like this meat. Oh, it's painful. So guys, kitchen work never ends. You'll always find yourself working, cooking. This is because people have to eat every meal. And every meal has to be eaten, guys. So, who is going to help me cook? Are you going to eat out every evening or every day? It's going to be very expensive. It can be very, very expensive to eat out every day. It's not possible, guys. Let's speak it out. It's not possible to eat out every day. It's not going to be possible. It's not possible because You cannot say that you eat out every day. Whoa! So now guys, here I am. I'm slicing this meat. And where it's cold. It was in the fridge. I removed it from the freezer. Put it in the fridge, but it is still cold. It's still cold. And this hand, I'm injured on the finger. Guys, here we discuss issues of life, and that's why even in this kitchen we are here together, because it is part of the issues of life that you have to cook every day. You have no help. You have come from work. You have no help, but you still have to cook. I'm feeling pain on that finger. I still have to cook, guys. At least, let me light this fire so that I can. And I'm not a person who doesn't like cooking late in the night, because you know, with us YouTubers, we want to go and watch videos. You want to go and watch YouTube videos, other people's videos. You go and edit yours. Hey, you go and upload yours also. It's so kitchen work is not very welcome in the night. So I cook in good style. These are evening chores in the kitchen. I cook in good style. And once the food is cooked, then I'm able to think. I've never seen work that makes you not think. Cooking is one of those that makes me not think. I'm not a fan of the kitchen, by the way. So, it's one of those things that make me not think. And that's all, guys. This meat, this balance of the meat has to go back to the freezer. Has to go back to the freezer. And this is all I'll cook for now. So I put some salt and I wash my hands and I cover that meat. I cover it up because that's the way I do my cooking. I cover it up. So now I'll just slice the onions. I told you my kitchen is so small that I have to work with it. I have to work with it because you don't go to a neighbor's kitchen. When it's your kitchen, that's all you have. So guys, it's time to slice an onion. And slicing an onion means preparing. When I'm prepared with the onion, and this is just how to use this frame. You know, with the meat you don't put a very high flame. You reduce it so that it removes the water fast. And then after that, let me peel the onion from where the camera is not seeing. And then I come and join in the slicing. So I slice the onion. Guys, do you slice big chunks of onions or you slice them small? As for me, I like slicing them very tiny. If possible, if this is what you call tiny. And do you like a lot of onion in food like me? I like a lot of onion. When possible, I can even put 2 or so pieces. Slicing like that. So that is the sliced onion. And guys, here the meat that is cooking. I've sliced the onion. Now go ahead and slice the tomatoes. But before I slice the tomatoes, I have to do some ginger. I like some ginger in my food. And ginger all the time, guys. Ginger all the time. So I'm coming to do the ginger as I wash the tomatoes. There's a piece of meat that I forgotten. Guys, do you burn in the hands or you wear gloves at all times? Cooking is hard. Cooking is not a joke, guys. Cooking is very, very hard. And that's why you see we pay house helps, because that is their job. During the day, let them be made cooking. Because I'm not going to lie to you. You come from work in the evening and you're expected to come and start peeling potatoes, preparing veggies, and the way it's hard to prepare veggies, guys, because of the way you have to check how you are doing them. It's very hard to prepare veggies. I find them very cumbersome because, you know, with veggies you have to wash thoroughly, and you cannot trust somebody to do that for you. So usually what I tell my girl is, when I have one, is prepare for me. Don't cut them. Just prepare cutting the stalks, and then I'll come and wash. Because with the veggies, I don't want anyone to wash for me. No, not anyone. I don't want her to wash for me. Let me say her. I do not want her to wash for me. And this is not that I'm full of hatred. No. I just feel like I'm very comfortable when it's me who is washing for myself. Veggies, that is. So guys, it's in good time you start preparing your onions. You prepare your ginger and garlic. Like now I'm grating the ginger. I'm grating this ginger. And let me tell you guys, when grating ginger, hey, your nails, take care of them. If you just miss, you will grate your nail. People are going to eat it. People are going to eat your nail. So when grating, like I'm doing, and you can also grate your skin. So it is just near your skin, because the kind of grater that I'm having is this small one. This small one. I like it. I still have the bigger one, the box one, but I like using this one. I don't know why. I'm used to it, so used to it. So I grate my ginger. My onion is already cut. And guys, don't I love ginger? You know, sometimes I even put water hot water in ginger, and just a lime, piece of lime. I'm a person of lime, you see. I always have lime in the kitchen. And I just put it and drink that. Because I feel good. It protects you from many things. Many issues of cold and flu. When it is mixed with lime, that is. Not that it is ginger alone, mixed with lime. And it will protect you. So guys, hey, let me tell you, cooking is not easy. So we see you in the next video. Because I wait for this meat to dry, then I put all this. And guys, bye. Thank you for your love. Please like and subscribe. And we see